little internet people. Uh, I need to fix my laptop and I need to record something for this Friday. So those are happening at once. So I'm just gonna record me doing that. Record me trying to fix it, I guess. I don't know. Ignore my giant alien head. My hair is up because it is very hot. How hot is it? Where's my. You're my phone. Where's my phone? Yeah, you're my phone. Lord. So, this past Sunday, I was trying to record stuff, and everything exploded. So, I'm gonna try to fix that. Um, I got it. Oh, fuck. Ooh. So, when that happened Friday, I got it to turn back on, but after it turned on, it wouldn't open anything. So I got it to be on the home page, which it's on currently, like it, you know, just its normal page. So that's where it's been. I can get the camera to open, but it'll only stay on photo mode. It won't go to video. I don't know why, but that's a thing that it's doing. I don't know. Um, can I open YouTube, like the YouTube app, or do I have to? Okay, so YouTube, the application does not work. The application for YouTube doesn't exist apparently. If I open Google, can I open YouTube? Okay, I can open YouTube on Google. Can I open Patreon? Does it have all my Patreon stuff logged in? Or do I have to go in and do all that? Okay, currently Patreon's alive. I'm allowed to look at that. Good. What about the thing I use for making my thumbnails and stuff sometimes? Does that exist? Am I allowed to do that? It's a white screen. Where is he? Currently, it's a white screen. In the little tab, I can see that it's Canva now. I can see that. That's good. Okay. That's good. That's positive. I'm happy. Things are working. That's good. Okay. When I go on YouTube, am I signed in? Is this my account and stuff? No, no, it is not. um, so do I need to log in? Or is it woke? We're trying to figure it out. My apologies if this is a little bit of a boring video. Not a whole lot I can say other than just like the basics of like, oh man, my stuff messed up. It logged me on a different account, so it's not the one I need it to be on. That's cool. Can I have my account? Okay. Okay. I think it's loading in. It's being slow, but I can see things. Okay. Okay. Cool. That loads in as me. Am I allowed to open things? Can I open YouTube Studio? Because that will be important. We're trying. We're troubleshooting. We're working on it. We'll see what works and what don't and what happens. Okay. Okay, cool. It opens YouTube Studio. It wasn't doing that. Camera. So earlier, the camera was where it would turn on and I could look at photo mode. I couldn't change it to video. It would only stay on photo and I couldn't take pictures. So I guess we're gonna see what's up. Can I take a picture? Just put up a shitty little peace sign and press the button. Does it take a picture? It made the noise of taking a picture. That's good. Okay, it took the picture. That's good. What if I set it to video mode? Okay, it doesn't want to record for some reason. Why would that be? Okay. Am I allowed to use a Google search correctly? Well, let me do that. Okay, yeah. Okay. There's noises happening outside. I apologize for those. Okay. I don't know why it took me to a 404 page. Okay. Set to video. All the privacy settings are correct. Start recording. Nothing. Okay. Pray. Send me your energy through the phone. Okay. There's a timer. It says it's going. I'm going to use you as a way of proving that this is... See, up there? Oop. Right there. I don't even know if that's visible through the phone. That might be way too bright. I can't tell. But there's a timer going. That's a positive. That's a positive. Damn, there's one really thick bit in my eyebrow there. Why's that one spot in my eyebrow so dark? Weird. Oh, my acne. My facial hair that I need to get rid of. I want to see my face up close in a minute. Okay. That's good. Did it pick up audio? Time to open that video and see if it picked up the audio. Play for me. That's audio. Right there. I don't even know if that's visible through the phone. That might be way too bright. There's audio. I can't tell. But there's a timer going. That's a positive. That's a positive. It's positive. There's one really thick bit in my eyebrow there. Why's that one spot in my eyebrow so dark? Weird. So... my facial hair that I need to get rid of. I haven't seen my face. Audio's happening. Okay. That's good. Did it pick up audio? So it did pick up audio. It did record. Oh my. That's good. That's great. That's super great. I'm really happy. That makes me feel great. There's a cat eating. Look at that little dude. Him's eating food. I'm gonna scoot your food away from your poop. I think it's grody. Bye, bud. I'm happy. I've had a rough week. I'm very happy that that's working again. That makes me so happy. Okay. That's fucking so... That makes me so happy. Okay. I don't have too much else to say. I'm just really happy that my computer works again. Bye.